Hi, hello and welcome back. Now I am going to discuss about what is programming language and the key terminologies behind it. We'll see what is programming language. Programming language is actually a formal language used to write instructions so that the computer can understand and process it. Processing means what? The computer will understand the code to solve any real world problem, to execute any particular task given by the programmer, etc. This is what called programming languages. Comes to the syntax. Syntax is a set of grammatical rules which defines how the programs to be written in the programming languages. These are actually the rules of how to write a program. For example, if you want to declare a variable in C language, we can declare a variable as integer a. Here a is a variable and int is an integer, that is data type. Here we are writing the data type followed by variable, that is actually a rule followed in the C language. This is what called as syntax. We should write the program in a syntax defined for the particular language. The next one, semantics. What is semantics? Semantics is nothing but meaning. It refers to the behavior of the program, meaning of the program. It describes what a statement actually does when it executes. For example, there is a statement integer a. It creates a variable a and assigns the data type integer into it. That is called as what? Semantics. Now we'll see the difference between syntax and semantics. What is the difference between syntax and semantics? Syntax, it is a rule for writing a code. Semantics is the meaning of the code written. And here the syntax is the grammar of the language and semantics is the behavior of the program. Comes to syntax, it is checked by the compiler or interpreter. Comes to the semantics, it determines the program output. Syntax error stops the program execution, and comes to the semantics, semantic error produces incorrect results. Next comes to variables. We have seen already what is variable. Here we have seen an example, integer a. Here a is a variable. What is variable? Variable is a named memory location. For example, a, b, c, a, b, c, anything. A named memory location. Memory location where we can store the values into it. This is called as what? Variable. What are the characteristics of variable? It stores the values temporarily. It has a name that is called as identifier. Then it can hold different data types. For example, you have seen integer a, then float c, any. So it can hold different data types. Values can be modified at any time. For example, c equal to a plus b. If you given a is 2 and b is 2, then c equal to 4. If you give a is 2 and b is 3, then c is 5. So it can hold the value which can be changed. So the value of the variable can be changed or modified at any time. Comes to the statement. What is statement? A statement is a complete instruction. A statement is a complete instruction that tells the computer to perform an action. The complete instruction tells computer to perform an action. This is what called statement. For example, there is a statement print of x in Python, right? So if I write print of x, what it will do? It will print the value of x. This is what called statement. These are the basic things which comes in the programming languages like syntax, semantics, variables, then statement. These are the foundational thing which is most important to write a program under various programming languages. Thanks for watching.